Hi, my name is Anjelina. Welcome to this journey through humanities. Today, we are going to learn about the exciting and impactful world of NGOs in our topic, Understanding NGOs, Types, Roles, and Impact. In this session, we'll explore what NGOs are, the different forms they take, the roles they play in development, and how they bring about social change across the world. Let's begin by understanding the bigger picture. This course is called Citizenship, Culture, and Global Connections. We'll explore how NGOs link communities with global issues and why understanding them matters. This session will equip you with knowledge about NGOs' operations, their impact, and how you can be a part of the change. Let's dive in. Types of NGOs. NGOs come in all shapes and sizes. Local NGOs serve specific communities. National NGOs work across an entire country, and international NGOs address global problems like disaster relief. Each type plays a different role depending on where and how they work. Knowing the differences helps us understand how they fit into the bigger picture of social development. Core functions of NGOs. What do NGOs actually do? Their main tasks are service delivery, advocacy, and capacity building. This means they provide help directly to people, speak up for those without a voice, and train communities to become self-sufficient. These functions allow NGOs to support people not just in the short term, but also for long-lasting change. NGOs and poverty alleviation. NGOs are at the forefront of the fight against poverty. They provide basic needs like food and clothing and help people build skills to find jobs. Microfinance or giving small loans helps people start businesses. These efforts create more stable, self-reliant communities. Health sector contributions. In many places, NGOs are the reason people can see a doctor or get vaccinated. They also teach people about staying healthy through good hygiene and nutrition. During emergencies, they bring medicines and health workers. Their efforts save lives, especially in places with limited health care. Educational initiatives. Education changes lives, and NGOs are making that happen. They build schools, train teachers, and give students supplies. In areas where kids can't go to school, NGOs step in. They also help improve how schools teach, making learning better and more fun. Addressing mental health. Mental health matters, and NGOs are starting important conversations about it. They teach people about mental health and provide counseling. They also train teachers and leaders to spot problems early. These efforts help communities care for every member. Policy advocacy. NGOs don't just help people, they also try to change the rules. They talk to governments, share research, and suggest better laws. They help citizens understand their rights and encourage them to speak up. This helps create fairer societies. Collaboration with governments. NGOs often work with governments to make programs better. Governments bring power and reach, and NGOs bring ideas and local knowledge. Together, they can do more. These partnerships help make health, education, and welfare programs more effective. Driving social change. NGOs inspire movements. They lead campaigns about important issues like equality and the environment. They help communities take action and bring lasting change. When people come together with NGOs, big things can happen. Urban operations. Cities are crowded and complex. NGOs help solve problems like homelessness, unemployment, and lack of education. It's harder in cities, but they find ways to reach people. By partnering with others, they make sure help gets to those who need it. Rural outreach. In remote villages, NGOs are often the only help available. They build schools, clinics, and water systems. They talk to villagers and plan projects together. These efforts bring real progress and hope to isolated communities. Conflict and crisis zones. When disasters strike or wars happen, NGOs are first on the scene. They bring food, shelter, and medicine. They set up safe spaces for women and children. Later, they help rebuild lives. Their work brings hope in the darkest times. Volunteering and youth empowerment. NGOs give young people a chance to help. They run leadership programs and offer volunteer roles. Youth learn skills, make friends, and make a difference. It's a great way to grow and give back at the same time. Community participation. People are more likely to support projects they helped create. NGOs involve communities in planning and running projects. They train locals to manage them too. This creates stronger, more united communities. Funding mechanisms. Where does the money come from? NGOs rely on donations, grants, and fundraising events. They need money to run programs and pay staff. The more support they get, the more people they can help. Transparency and accountability. Trust is everything. NGOs show how they spend money through reports. They check how well their programs work. They also listen to feedback. Being honest and open helps them do better work. Careers in social development. Working in an NGO isn't just a job, it's a mission. You can work in the field, do research, or manage projects. Key skills include communication, empathy, teamwork, and problem solving. If you care about the world, this might be the path for you. Summary and reflection. So what did we learn? NGOs help in so many ways, from health and education to justice and development. You've seen how they work and how you can be a part of it. Maybe you'll volunteer, support a cause, or even start your own project someday. Every effort counts.